Monday, the 17th of April, 2023. About 215 National Forest Road. What was it? .310 off of East Armurchie. We're going to check this creek crossing out. And friends, I can tell you, we just came from another creek crossing where people are camping out. You can tell they've been there a while, and you can tell they don't have anywhere else to go. Children, families, single people. I'm seeing more and more people that are right on the edge or either have fallen off the edge. I mean, back there you had a total of about 5 kids, and school's not out yet. They're not in school. They're not getting an education. Let's turn it off till we get to the creek, because this is pretty rough anyway. I like that road there to the right. It's open right now. Man, it gets really rough and goes down to a place that I really like, but in the van, I don't know. Last time we went down there, we were in the Jeep, and that road gets smaller and smaller. I had a hard time turning around in the Jeep. Let's turn this one off until we get to the creek. I'm trying to keep these videos a little bit shorter because I'm going to upload from the phone. I think we're getting close to the creek. I got something rattling back there driving me wacko. I'll see if I can find it. I don't know if we'll try to cross the creek or not. Yeah, traveling around like I do, I'm seeing more and more single people in small cars, more families, and you can tell they've been on the road for a while. Not sort of like me, where I go and come every couple of weeks. I'm hoping to hit out for several months here before long, but I think I'm probably much better equipped than most of these people are. But yeah, they have just, either they're about to fall off the edge or they have already fallen off the edge, and there's not a lot of hope for them. And this is an electronic society we're living in now, and if you can't function with it, I can't remember where that goes over there, but that gets pretty sandy. We're not going to take a chance on it in the van. If we had a winch, we would, but this crossing here doesn't have the concrete on the bottom. It gets pretty sandy. So we'll just turn it around right here, and I'll have to put these videos together. I wanted to just upload one video from the phone, but I'll have to put these two together in the computer, then put them back in the phone. We'll walk down to the creek, park up here and walk down.